In this video, I'll show you how to find your Exness account number. First, sign in to your Exness Personal Area. Exness says your trading account number is shown in the My Account section, where each trading account appears as a card with details like account type, platform, and account number. Exness also explains that this account number is the same login number you use for trading platforms like MT4 or MT5. Once you open My Accounts, look at the trading account card you want to check. Exness says the number may already be visible on the card, depending on your layout. In List View, it appears next to the account type and platform. In Grid View, it appears next to the field labeled Number. If you still don't see it clearly, tap or click the three-dot menu on that trading account and choose Account Information. Exness says a pop-up will appear showing the MT4 login or MT5 login number, which is your Exness trading account number. One important thing to remember is that Exness says your login number and server are fixed and can't be changed, so make sure you copy the correct one for the exact trading account you want to use. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.